look what we woke up to this morning.
Sometimes you wake up in the morning, things aren't going the way you planned. It's pouring down rain.
So you put plan B together quick.
That's right, don't run home.
Unless you're in a tent.
Yeah, if you're in a tent, I'd run home. The other thing I would say is, if you wake up in the morning and there's severe weather,
Go.
I'd hightail it out of there.
Yeah,
but this
just
is
rain.
this is a rainstorm
Yeah.
for the day. So we're going to show you how we switch to plan B
Deal
on
with
a rainy
it.
day.
Yep.
The good thing is our canopy has sides all the way around it, so we could sit in there all day with our propane fire and stay warm if we want to. But we're going to go out and do some exploring.
Yep, here we go. Hey, one thing you can do is you can go to the nature center. Let's go inside.
Hi everybody. One of the things you can do on a rainy day is go to the nature center, to the bird viewing area, and sit and watch the birds for a little bit. It's also fun to listen to the different sounds that the birds make.
And watch the squirrels. They're out eating too, but
And squirrels are giving the birds a run for their money
Yeah.
this morning.
yeah, they're getting fatter than the birds.
I have to view this section of the nature center by myself. Nancy hates snakes, so she's outside waiting on me on the front porch, but here I am looking at the snakes. So another thing that's really interesting is they have all these display cases full of different types of species that are native to Indiana. So it's fun reading about them and understanding why they're here and the habitat that they support. Another fun thing to do on a rainy day at the Nature Center.
You can take a drive on a rainy day.
Look at Herky. He's soaking wet.
You've heard of smells like a wet dog? Herky smells like a wet dog. It just so happens the state park we're at this weekend on this rainy day has a driving tour, so we're gonna take it. Come on. Thing about today is we just saw a sign saying that chances of fire are low. You think? Or you can sit on the front porch of the lodge and rock and watch people go by.
A lot of state parks have a lodge. You can sit down and relax, get out of the weather, and enjoy the atmosphere of the lodge.
Hey, you can also do a little retail therapy in the gift shop. So on our rainy day, we came into town to see what was going on, and it's the 54th annual Blossom Day Parade. Yay! Okay, so that's what we do on a rainy day. And now comes the only part you cannot make look glamorous at all.
we have to tear all this stuff down. We don't have a lot to tear down,
No.
just our canopy and our rugs. The rest of the stuff is stored safely inside. We don't have to dry that off. So, but when we get home, we got to set this up in the garage and dry it off a little bit. No way to put a positive spin on that.
No, no. So
now it's time to
dry
off
the dog.
the dog.